Hello everyone, this is Ankit Bhatia and my team Rishikesh, Faye and Abhigna. I would like to present our Capstone project on international student recruitment analytics for St. Clair College under the mentorship of Professor Sadiq. We will talk about introduction, problem statement, data set, business process, methodology, data modeling, how we implement the model, and so on. Let's talk about the introduction. What actually International Education Office does. It is responsible for international students recruitment, and for that, it is critical for education institution to compete in the global education market. It enables college to make data-driven decisions and allocate resources efficiently, ultimately improving their success in attracting and retaining international students. What we found in this project is uh, we will talk about the problem statement saying that develop and implement an advanced analytics solution to enhance the recruitment of international students for St. Clair College and improve the quality, diversity, quantity of international students, improve recruitment efficiency, foster data-driven decision making in the recruitment process. Now let's talk about the data set. How we collect a data set. That we have collected a data set from the stakeholder, which is the International Education Office, and they have downloaded this data set from OCAS portal. Firstly, the data was around having records of 46K and feature of 61. The duration for data set is fall 22 to fall 23, and for the privacy purpose we have signed the non-disclosure agreement. Moving forward, the business process is same, that how we apply for the international college, and then the following is student visa process. At the end, college will decide whether this candidate is likely to enroll or not based on given enough document and proof of funds as an example. The methodology, how we develop this system, and how the process works of international student recruitment analytics projects. The first of all, the loading the data set, do the EDA, and work on build the random forest classifier model, which we converted and dumped to the pickle file. On the other hand, we made a Tableau dashboard for an abstract view for stakeholder, which is published on Tableau public. After that, we have web app. We made a web app using Flask as a backend. The what it does actually, the web page allows user to input their data and show the result on the same page, whether they are likely to enroll or not. For that, it render to load the pickle file to work on unseen data, and then return the result on the web page. Next, how we do the data processing. First of all, initial data set loading, handling missing value. If there are some missing values, we fill it with null, unknown, or zeros, or whatever related to the missing values processing. Then date transformation, encoding the categorical variables, normalization of data, feature reduction. Then coming to feature selections, we have done several methods like chi-square method, decision tree, random forest classifier, so feature selection using random forest for top 10 features with its subset. Implementation, evaluation, and of advanced ML model. For that, we have used different methods like random forest classifiers, support vector machines, gradient boosting, MLP, which is a multi-layer perceptron artificial neural network. After that, on my right, based on that, we come to the performance metrics, which is accuracy, precision, recall, sensitivity, F1 score, AUC, ROC. We will talk about the accuracy. This metric measures the overall correction of a classification model. Is the ratio of correctly predicted instance to the total instances. The precision is the ratio of correctly predicted positive observation to the total predictive positive observation. It measures the accuracy of positive predictions. Coming to the recall, also known as sensitivity or true positive rate, is the ratio of correctly predicted positive observation to all observation in actual class. It measures the completeness of positive predictions. What is F1 score? The F1 score is the weighted average of precision and recall. It considers the both false positive and false negative. F1 score reaches its best value at 1 and worst at 0. It is good way to show that a classifier has a good value for both recall and precision. Area under receiver operating characteristic curve. ROC is a probability curve and AUC represent degree or measure of separability. It tells how much model is capable of distinguishing between classes. Higher the AUC, better the model is at predicting zeros as 0 and ones as 1. It typically used for binary classification problem, the same as we have the problem of likely to enroll or not. Moving forward, tuning and optimization. There are several methods of tuning and optimizing, which includes manual tuning, automated hyperparameter optimization, which includes grid search and random search, then cross validation. What we will talk about the manual tuning is manual tuning refers to the process of adjusting hyperparameters by learning the algorithm by hand. But manual tuning can be time consuming and may not always lead to the best performance, especially for complex model with many hyperparameters. Automated hyperparameter optimization, using algorithm or technique to automatically search for the best hyperparameter for a given machine learning model. Then it has grid search, random search, and cross validation. Cross validation is a technique used to access the performance and generalization ability of machine learning model. It involves splitting the dataset into multiple subset fold, training the model on a subset of data and evaluating it on the remaining subset. Then model implementation. This is how we build our web application using Flask, and we will show to the demo of that. Let's go to there. These are the reference.